Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. I am Advantech PSM. Today I'm going to unbox this TREK-60. So what is TREK-60? So this is in-vehicle AI edge computing box. This is also it is also a rugged NVR integrated with APOE ports, and it could be applied for outdoor usage as well. So not only in vehicle but also outdoor. The 60 solution has two platforms. One is the Atom quad-core processor, the Apollo Lake. The other one is the Core I dual-core processor, the KB Lake. So we can support i5 and i7. It has also been integrated with Intel Movidia's Marriott VPU and OpenVINO solution to facilitate deep learning and AI processing for data analytics. It could also be equipped with 5G communication and DSRC V2X modules. We are excited about adopting Intel Movidia's as it is the industry-leading performance at ultra-low power for critical environment. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, first I see a small box here. This is the accessory box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here, let me show you here a bunch of cables. Let me put the box aside. So here, this is the generic I/O cable, which includes like COM port, line mic in, line out, and others are like COM ports. We have several COM ports. And digital inputs as well. Now the second bag here, this is the VIO connector, the vehicle I/O connector, which has the CAN bus, the J1708 and ignition. So this connects to the power, and this is the open wire to connect with battery, the car battery. Okay. Now, if this is for in-vehicle usage. Now, the rest of the antennas, the rest of the cables are antennas. So these two are for Wi-Fi antennas, the main and aux, and this one, which has the purple and also the blue connector. The blue one is for GPS, the purple one is for the LTE. And also we can see the last one here, this is the red one, the red connector. This is for LTE aux. You could also see a key. This is to open the service door. And this is also a very nice feature about there's a service door. So it's very good easy for maintenance. And you can see the 4 screws here. That's for the SSD. So when you insert the SSD into the tray, you have to screw these screws. Okay. Now let me put these cables aside, and let's show the TREK-60. Okay, put this way. Okay, so we basically have two cushions. Okay, on the two sides here. Okay, and this plastic here is airtight. So let me open this plastic bag here, and you will see the TREK-60. Ta-da! This is the TREK-60. Here, this is on this side. You can see all the rear. This is the rear side of the computing box. Okay, you can see that it can connect with different cameras. It has 8 PoE port. On the other side, this is the front side. Okay, here. All right. So you can see some LED light over here. So the first one is power here. The second one is for storage, SSD. Third one is Wi-Fi, and fourth one is LTE, and then the last one is GPS. So that's the LED light. And also this is the what I call the service door. Now, let's open this service door and see what kind of I/O does it is it inside. Okay, let's use the key. So basically, when you open this service door, you have to do it anti-clock wise. So in order to open this door. Okay, so now it's open. Okay, let me put this away. Here, you could see, I'll try to get it as close as possible so you could see it. So here, this is the USB 3.0, okay, for software maintenance purpose. If you want to upgrade your software or upgrade the image, you can go through this USB port. Now, under the USB port, on the left-hand side, that's the reset button. On the right, left-hand side reset button, on the right side is the clear CMOS button. Okay, and there's a coin battery slot. So after 4 years of usage, if the battery is flat, you could just change the coin battery. So it's pretty easy. And here, this blue thing is, see, it's very easy for you to take it down. This is the SSD tray or hard drive tray for you to, so you can see the screws on the side. So you can just insert it through here. Now, so basically this door is very easy for maintenance. Okay, so it's in the front. So whenever it will save a lot of time. You don't have to open the whole system. It's just everything is in the front. Okay, so this is a pretty nice feature. Okay, let me put this back. Okay, now on the rear side, okay, this is for the power. Okay, and also for this is the vehicle I/O. Also has the CAN bus and J1708, and this too is the LAN port. We could actually, one of the nice feature about this TREK-60 is that you could actually customize the I/O. Let's say if you don't need the 8 PoE port here, you could, and you just need 2. You can actually change these 2 connectors to PSE ports. The shared power consumption is 12 watts, okay? And for the 8 PoE port over here, the shared power consumption is 80 watts, 60 watts. So let's say if you have per camera, the power consumption is 7 watts, then you could connect with 8 PoE port. So the overall shared power consumption is 60, okay? Now, for this RJ45, if you want to have a M12 connector, you can do that. So we have options for Xcode. Xcode, the transfer speed is 10 gigabps, and decode, you could also do decode. Decode is 100 meg. So there are 2 options here. And so we also have a HDMI port over here, but if you think it's not enough, let's say this is installing a public transportation, you want to add another VGA port, you could customize, we could add VGA port over here. Now, there are 2 USB port, and there is one smart display connector over here. Okay, so our smart display port, we call it SDP. We can connect just one single cable. You can connect with our in-vehicle display. So the distance is 10 meter for that cable. And this is a generic I/O. As I mentioned, like we can support two RS-232 or 485, another two RS-232, 6 digital input, 4 digital output, and 2 mic in and 2 line out. So these are all the generic I/O. Now, this is for the blue connector. We call it, here you see all the color-coded connectors. We call it FACRA connectors. These are waterproof as well. And the good thing about it is you will not make any mistake when you connect with the antennas, because you just have to match the color. Okay, so this is the GPS antenna, and for these, no matter GIO, generic IO connector, or the vehicle IO connector, they are all hearsay connectors, which is very good quality, and also waterproof connectors, and you can cope with a high temperature. These are automotive grade connectors. So one of the key features about this product is they are automotive grade connectors designed for in-vehicles. And also you can imagine how rugged it is. Okay, let's talk another special part of this product is the extension module you see on the right side. So actually you could actually put 2 extension modules on the right side and the left hand side. So let's say it's facing the front, so it's my left hand side. The left hand side is the Wi-Fi and LTE module. We call it RF extension module. So this is for AI or 5G or DSRC. So this is another option to add on. So this is a modularized, modularized product. Now, you can do a lot of different kinds of configurations. Now let's open. Okay, by the way, on the extension module over here, okay, you could see the SIM card slot on the top. So you could also, it's very easy for you to insert the SIM card. We also have eSIM as well on the board. And let me open this up. Let me remove this extension module with this little tool here. So the great thing about this extension module is that you could, this is the tool that you have to use, the Allen key, okay? And the great thing, why we want to design it this way is with this extension module, if let's say the Wi-Fi card or the LTE card has been phased out, or if you want to upgrade to, instead of Wi-Fi ABG and AC, you want to upgrade to Wi-Fi 6, you could actually, you don't have to do the certification, all the certification with the system. You can just reinsert the extension module. Now, so you could see, so this is integrated with Wi-Fi LTE, and you could see there's a connector here that you can connect to the side here, this side. There's a board-to-board connector, okay, and this is also waterproof as well. Okay, and talk about waterproof, we could support IP65. Now, you may say, oh, okay, the connectors over in the back doesn't look like IP rated connectors. Okay, so basically to meet IP65, we have another IP IO cover to cover it up. Okay, so we can reach to IP65. So I will show you later. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, this one is for Wi-Fi and LTE. On the other side, you could do it's the same for the future if you want to have an add-on feature for the SRC or AI as well. So this is pretty much of the overall introduction about the TREK-60. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much, and see you next time.